Hey folks, on today's video we're making a very unique cocktail. It's a stirred mezcal cocktail. It also has rum. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more drinks and memories. Let's get behind the stick. You know, there aren't many tequila or mezcal drinks that are stirred, and the one that we're making today is actually amazing. We're making today a Heck Fire. Heck Fire is created by bartender and bar owner Sam Ross in 2019, so it's actually a pretty modern cocktail. This cocktail is stirred. First calls for green chartreuse, then it calls for vermouth. We're using a French Blanc Vermouth, in this case Dolin Blanc. So it not only has mezcal, it also has rum. I'm using Hamilton Pot Still Black. You cannot find it everywhere. A good alternative to that will be Smith & Cross. Vida Mezcal. I just use this a lot. Vida Mezcal is one of my absolute favorite mezcals to mix with. Has a nice level of smoke. It's 43% ABV, which has a slight kick to it in comparison to other mezcals. This is a very unique cocktail, but is extremely easy to make. So let's make it, shall we? This is a stirred cocktail. So grab your mixing glass and start by adding half an ounce or 50 ml of green chartreuse. This is a French herbal liqueur that's 55% ABV. Green chartreuse is crafted from 130 herbs and spices, a secret recipe from the Chartreuse Mountains. This has bold and intense flavors that will enhance the main spirit of this drink. Next up, the rum. We're using half an ounce or 15 ml of Hamilton Pot Still Black. I can't confirm, but I don't think this drink was created with this rum in mind. Anyways, as I've mentioned, I've made this cocktail with Smith & Cross and it tastes just as good. Now, for the dry vermouth. I'm using Dolin Blanc, which is a French vermouth, but feel free to use other great options such as Coqui Americano or even Carpano Bianco, 1 ounce or 30 ml. Now for some mezcal, 1 ounce or 30 ml of mezcal. I'm using Del Maguey Vida. Use your favorite, but try to use an Espadín mezcal. Other great entry-level mezcals that I would suggest is Malbien, Banjes, and Sombra Mezcal. Now grab a chilled cocktail glass. Tonight I'm using a Nicanora. Add ice to your mixing glass and stir away for about 25 seconds. Once done stirring, grab a strainer and strain your cocktail into your chilled glass. As for the garnish, all you need is a lemon peel. Squeeze the lemon oils and drop it in the glass. And there we have the Heck Fire. Ooh, that's boozy, but really nice. This one is a sipper. I would take my time with this one. It's super elegant, has a lot of flavors going on. It almost drinks like a complex martini. But that's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.